What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up, everybody? How are you guys doing? And welcome to Marketing with Dom. You already know you're Go High Level expert. Let's get it. I've actually been building funnels in the marketing space for over 10 years, and today we're going to talk about what is Go High Level. Listen, if you want to know what Go High Level is from two perspectives, you continue watching this video because it's going to be fire. First of all, the two perspectives you want to come from. Are you a person who has a business and wants to use Go High Level on their business? Absolutely. Two, are you someone who's trying to make more money? Periodly online, and you're looking for something to be able to help you get there? This is absolutely it, especially if you're someone who's kind of like building things out in different perspectives and want to partner with people and actually bring some sort of value that other people can't bring. That's how I use Go High Level. Now, let's talk about what Go High Level is. Now, it's a full all-in-one business and marketing sales platform. Okay. Here's the most powerful part about why it's important. If they're just getting started, they've been around for years, but when it comes down to how they decided to compete and what they did for you as a person to be custom and get the system internally the way you want to be, there's nothing like it. Okay. So that is really the difference that we are finding out right now. And what is the difference between Go High Level and all these other platforms? It is honestly what it can do for you as an individual. Now, I white label the service and I build companies right now on the back end of the software. And I'm working with high end real estate fund people as well as wellness people in different spaces, building out their funnels. And I just made an amazing partnership with someone who's been in the business for 20 years on the funnel building side. That's going to be taking over the back end. So guess what? When you guys come and be prepared to build some of the best funnels, me and my team, come to me. Now, let's talk about what Go High Level is, and let's get a little bit internal with it and why you could actually use it. And let's start off as one. If you are a person who works with a lot of businesses, or you're a marketer, you're trying to be like, how do I make money with it? First of all, imagine if you now get to compete with all the other softwares. Instead of having to, affiliate market it to Kartra or another platform, you can take your process and duplicate it drastically, and you get to charge the price for it and manage it and operate it for them, and then charge on the side of everything and usage. It's powerful, right? So if you are a business yourself, the difference is that someone else will be running it for you. They get paid in the operation side. It's a beautiful thing to be able to work with. But so right here is my software. I call it Expert Marketly. We're a little bit more unique for the wellness space and for people in the real estate fund space that has to build really good relationships. Now, when you're looking at what Go High Level is, it is a platform in which you get the freedom of attaching artificial intelligence as well as a one-stop shop database for either you as a single business or you as an agency to all these. Now, I've tried all sorts of different agency over level white labeling things, and nothing got me as quick as being able to get them into like the SaaS program and then start to build their business, and then from there being able to charge more and more with my clients. So I'm going to teach you how to make $10,000 a month, or even if you're a client, how to make yourself $10,000 more a month, and replacing students, right? Replacing many people with a small system. So let's talk about this first of all. Now, when it comes to automation and AI and Go High Level, the first thing that I decided to replace to be able to make Go High Level worth it was the automation aspect of setting up the phone calls. Now, the crazy thing about it, there's on so many levels that you can actually do this, right? There's so many levels in which you can do the affiliate, not the affiliate, which you can do the actual program of doing conversation dialogue with your fans. Now, I work in a niche of a niche in my top client space and no investing, right? But when you're talking about a regular business or any sort of regular system, imagine being able to offer everything to your homies, your buddies, your team. I started off with a few people I knew, made my first couple $1,000 just helping people I knew by giving them the software and being able to help them. Now the software is mine, so I'm getting the residual from that, and then I could build up their business to really see how things are going to work on that side. Now, let's look at the overall system of what it offers. One, it offers you a back end position to be able to, one, have an application on your phone and work your business. And I know other platforms like Wix and all those things happen to you, but the one thing I'll tell you is when you're someone who wants a little bit more creative control and you don't want to be subject to something, this is the opportunity to be able to build out on that side. The one thing I think is most important about what Go High Level is for you as a business is that it brings everything together, from your CRM to your calendar to communications with everybody in your business. Now, look, everybody you have conversations with or be able to text you or your phone number all attached into one system, your phone number attached into one system. So understanding how to use Go High Level to attach your whole business into one place. Like I said, my link is down in the bio. You'll be able to take that. Now, I've made a lot of money online. Okay. I've made a lot of money online. And the one thing I want to tell you is that if you're not using Go High Level yet, if you don't understand the concept of it, it's been out for a couple years, but even you have the time right now to really get it started, right? Like you have the time to really get it started. You have the time to really build out the system in your business. And in a year, you still have the ability to be an expert. Okay. So that's the powerful of it. And even if you're doing it for your own business, imagine that you got to replace 5 or 10 employees. You can actually have the system start to sell for you, communicate with people, put them in the right position. But everything that costs for someone to do it for you is very simple if you can pay someone, because the technology of the people who do the work is actually, you can find that work pretty cheap. When I say that, but if you know what you need to do for your business, this gives you opportunity to build like crazy on the back end. So what is Go High Level? Go High Level is a fully integrated system for people who want to be able to nurture, capture, and close all their leads, and to be able to have a lot more leeway in creating a creative business model. That to me is powerful. Okay. So for me, it's really about the fact that when people go through my system, the automation, the text message, being able to just conversate with people through text message in the business, and being able to make that happen makes things a lot easier. To be able to make that happen, it makes things a lot easier for me. What is question? Um, so for me, that's the most powerful part, is that I have an extreme amount of freedom of what I can do, and it replaces an extreme amount of platforms that we were using before. For me, it's about pricing and opportunity. Like we went from spending almost like $4,000 in my business with the Go High Level to being able to spend just, I think we're just spending a little bit more than $2,000 overall with our team and the software, when we were spending around $5,000 to $7,000 a month just with software. Now we're all in one place. So for me, it's about trying to give away as much knowledge as possible about how I've been able to grow my business and be able to get other people to understand what Go High Level can do for you in your business. And I'm going to be teaching those little things about how to use Go High Level to really, really take your business to the next level, or to use it to build your own personal business. Now, the reason why it's amazing for you to be able to build your own personal business on it, because most people don't want to go out there and do it themselves. So if you are a person and you're like, I don't want to use Go High Level myself, that's where people like me and agencies come in, where you can just join our program. You may pay a little bit more, but we actually can pay for the team to be able to help you build the system on the back end. That's the importance of the boutique management. So what is Go High Level? It's the new wave of people who are going to try to duplicate it. But imagine if you hit um, ClickFunnels in its very first wave. Imagine if you hit a software when it's just getting started. And now that you're able to do that, you're able to go extremely hard on being one of the best. And you don't have to be the best in the world. I can tell you, if you're just good enough, you can make it easily $1,000 to $2,000 a month by outsourcing the system to people and really getting them going on that side. So that to me is the biggest power flex, is my ability to really be able to take someone, maybe even like a friend or something, and help them grow their business to the next level. That stuff is really a flex, because you used to have to like pay for software. Now I have people on my software who pay me in the usage, some people who are paying me to run their whole system. And the reason why that's really good for you is because when you're first getting started and you're trying to work with people and get them in, you have a lot more leeway. Right, I paid my monthly. I got my first client. The first client paid the overall agency fee, which is like $400 if you're going to do a full-on agency fee. Had them pay a couple $1,000s, worked on them at a discount, grew their platform. Then at that same time, I was like, yo, I want to just continuously kind of build partnerships in the space. I don't want to necessarily um, just do SaaS. Like, how can I come bring my expertise and the software to a business where I get a bigger and better opportunity to use it and grow it? Um, That's the most powerful part of it. So talking about Go High Level and what it can do for you is pretty much it. So what is Go High Level? It's everything you need for in-house business. I've seen a lot of the competition, but I would say that it's not even worth fighting for on that side of the competition. You really want to make sure that you get with the top program, and if you're trying to get to your first $200,000, $300,000 a year, create a really unique space and use that unique space to make you the most money possible. Okay. So that's the power of what is Go High Level. And this video will be probably dropped as an actual video, a little bit shorter and precise than the words on that side. But at the end of the day, we'll go on the back end of how to use Go High Level to grow your business within 24 hours, right? So let's talk about that. Let's go. All right. Love you. Hey, listen, if you guys want more and more content about Go High Level, how to make money, how to learn how to do it, what they should do, make sure you guys comment down below. You subscribe. Make sure you hit the channel. Make sure you like it down below. Appreciate it. I'm about to be going hard on teaching everything I've learned about. I've been doing it for a little bit over a year. And now I'm like, I might as well just teach people to come out here and be able to make money as well and teach them who you can go learn from that will give you the play, right? So you got to know who to give you the play from. And in this economy right now with this software, you can build it just by using the software. So if you want to join my free course, that's all down below. You want to join the affiliate program, get it right now for your business because you're pumped or want to watch more videos. You already know where to find them. They're all around. And keep going to my page to really just get to the next level. All right. So I'll see you guys on the next video. Let me know what you think and what information you guys want to learn.